Keeping your knife sharp is one of the most important jobs in the kitchen. The steel is a hardened rod with fine grooves. It is important to keep your steel fat-free, so always wash your knives before sharpening. It also has a knife guard, so always keep your fingers behind it. The knife edge has two bevels, and your steel simply repairs the blade on the outermost edge. The angle you should sharpen at reflects the inner edge and is normally about 20 degrees to the steel. Steady, even strokes drawn backwards along the steel is all you need. There's no need to rush. Take your time. You can use an alternative method to hold the steel on a work surface upside down and draw down with the blade. Regular use of your steel will make sure your knives are always perfectly sharp.